Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to block someone on TikTok. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Number two step is you have to find the user by going to their profile of the person you want to block. You can find them through your followers list, comments, or by searching their username. And the third step is once you can also open the inbox and you can just open the chat of the person and go to their profile. And you can also tap on their chat, and here you will see an option block. Just tap on block and again tap on block to confirm your choice. So after blocking, they cannot see your videos, they cannot message you, they cannot interact with your profile. That's how you can block someone on TikTok quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.